What do we got here?
Oh my goodness, it hurts.
We got a little boo-boo?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yesterday I was holding a piece of wood and a guy shot a screw in it.
Oh, no, it's got a screw in it.
Yeah.
How do you shoot a screw? What are you picking out?
I'm taking out the infection, and then I'm going to wash it.
Yeah.
You're going to wash it.
Oh, it hurts.
You got Dr. Dave here. Oh, look at that. I mean, let grown man cry. Look at him.
God, it hurts.
We got Dave. Dave was a medic in the military. He's our little doctor we got here. Good morning, everybody. We got a flat. They're not now anymore. Did you find the screw?
Yeah, I found a couple. Yeah, look at
A
this.
couple.
It's a little low. We put air in it.
God, and we got these magnets that clean this whole place up constantly. Got to bring everything in here at night, keep it warm. What are you doing?
Discussing a little bit of wiring route because he hasn't done it. Jake does the wiring.
Oh, really?
By the time I get done with all the plumbing and stuff, he's already got this wire, so I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, bring it. I'm
Oh,
not
sweet.
able to.
Good.
He's going to make sure that
You're helping him, Chris?
Yeah, I want to come down with them
Cool,
today, 'cause
man.
Kenny,
Oh.
they're not here.
Where's Kenny?
I got that funeral.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Good. Awesome.
Yep.
That's cool that you
We'll
can come
get
down
that
here.
out. We'll,
Yep.
After we flip that table over, we'll get it extended out to 2 feet, and we'll get ready for the 10-footers.
Awesome. Yeah. That's going to be when we get back, right? Cool.
So we're hoping to
Good.
just get the 1 10-footer started, and then
Yeah. That's going to be the deal because changing up everything in here. Yeah. Wiring.
Lucas went over a lot of it with me
Good.
yesterday. and
Yep.
Justin is going to come down and help us also.
Man, we've been trying to get ready for this 10-footer, so good.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah, we'll do it.
It's going to be different. That's what's going to
Yeah,
be fun.
I know it's going to be different. Yeah, it's good to do a little different. Cool. So cross training is a big deal here. So Chris, he's wiring. James has done all the plumbing and the framing. He used to be over here. Now he's over here doing the plumbing. Now he's going to do the wiring. We got guys that's cross trained to be able to keep this thing going. Kenny, like you heard, he's at a funeral today. Him and his cousin, they're usually on the floor. I'm going to clean this lens off just a second, guys. There we go. A little bit better. Oh, man, I'm hearing the radio. I'm going to get pinged, I guess. Maybe they turned it down for me. How did they know to do that? Yeah, George over here. Look, here I want you guys to meet some of these guys. Hang on. Just 1 second. We're doing everybody. Good morning, world. We just had our morning meeting and our stretches. This is the Siege Tower up here. Lucas calls it the Siege Tower from Game of Thrones, and it wraps around that. We've had to extend it because we got 20-foot homes going up now. And they're building this thing wider, and so it can get these 10 by 20s and 12 by 20s just for our grow. Up here is our more storage, and for our solar, this is George. He builds our walls at Shannon. They're going to continue. Now these walls are getting longer. You can see this is a 20-foot wall. Normally we do a 16-foot wall. So everything's changed. This whole wall, this is our pattern, or we call it like a jig, is something that you can do over and over and over. And so we've had to make that longer, reinforce it, and then you've got your overhead crane system. We had to add another track to it because they're not super heavy. These panels are 17 pounds a piece is what it is. So now we've got, probably 3-4 more extra panels, which it adds some weight to it. And come around. I'll probably come back later on today. So I want to introduce you to some of the guys that work here and what they do. There's Tylene. There we go. All right, man, got to keep this. Hopefully the music won't ping me on YouTube over here. Here's our boxes. John, you met.
It'll be clear in 30 minutes.
Yeah.